Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very happy to be here and a warm welcome also from my side. My name is Leonie Schröpfer. I'm currently a master's student at Flensburg University, and today I'm happy to be here as a speaker of Netzwerk N. In the following minutes, I'm going to introduce our network. So, what is Netzwerk N? In a nutshell, we are a student sustainability initiative that is active on a German level, and we have a focus on education. In the last 8 years, we are educating, coaching, and linking student sustainability projects all over Germany, aiming at establishing sustainable development at higher education institutions. But how are we doing that, and why are we actually doing that? So we see the challenge that universities today in our knowledge-based society have a great responsibility to take, but they systematically fail in actually integrating sustainable development in all areas. So student groups form because they envision actually a sustainable future and they want to promote sustainable development. But then again, these groups often lack scope, resonance, networks, and also further education, and especially recognition from their respective institutions. So our vision is that these students and these students' groups are empowered and self-confidently act to implement their goals and to reach their aim of really establishing sustainable structures at their universities. And if we really manage that and have empowered students and empowered students groups, we think that higher education system and the higher education institutions can be sustainable at all areas, namely in teaching, in education, in research, in transfer, and also in services. So the question is, what does Netzwerk N do to reach this great vision? At the end, we actually do that with what Mrs. Kalczak said. We come from ambition to action because we empower the students. And during the last years, we developed a number of different formats in order to reach that empowerment. So we work with the formats of student participation, of coaching, of education, and also of networking. And I shortly want to highlight our kind of most popular format, which is called Wandercoaching. So there, student experts travel all over Germany to coach student initiatives and help reaching their goals. Last but not least, I want to highlight some of our accomplishments. So in the last years, we were in contact with more than 1,500 students who are active, changing more than 125 universities all over Germany. But our action does not stop at the German border. We are also connected beyond. So we are active in the student network called SOS International, Students Organizing for Sustainability. And there we are collaborating and acting together with student sustainability networks from, for example, France, England, the Netherlands, or also Austria. And for example, on this picture, you can also see how now several years in a row we won the UNESCO ESD prize. And all in all, I can say that we are kind of a network that is a flagship project for students organizing for sustainability in Germany. And I know we have high ambitions, but I think, or we see that our action is successful and that we see that it works. And I can just encourage all of us to work on eye level with students and with students' ideas and students' projects, that then all together we can empower universities to become sustainable and to become really future-oriented institutions. Thank you.